Hello everyone, this is Jeff from Tauflader Mouse. I'm going to show you how I make my heavy stabilized wax slugs. And just like everyone else, you've probably seen videos on how to make these things. Just cut the top off. This is, just like Iraqi Vet has shown. But then I remove some of the spacer there on this wad, about a 1/4 inch. That's going to give me a bigger slug, a heavier slug. And I've shot these and really haven't had any problems at all with it. Then I just put a little tiny bit of wax on the bottom and swirl it around. What I'm trying to do is throw the center of gravity forward. By making the end of it lighter, the front end is going to be heavy and hopefully it'll fly a little straighter through the air. And then I add the wax and birdshot mixture, and I'll tap it down so that everything settles real neatly and all the pellets stack in there correctly. But I fill it all the way up. That's important. You want the lead as far forward as you can. And then I'll run it across a real fine mill file. And this does two things. It removes the excess wax from the front, and it also removes any pellets that might be sticking up and could cause a primer strike, and you don't want that. That's one thing you definitely don't want if you're feeding in through a tube-fed magazine. You'll notice that these Federal shells use a 2-piece wad. Most other companies use a 1-piece wad, but I just like the quality of Federal so much better than other brands. They just do things so well, and you can see here how front heavy it is. And that's the whole idea here. Trying to keep it stabilized, keep the center of gravity forward. And here is a metal plate. It's 80 thousandths of an inch thick and set at an angle, so it's not even a direct shot. And the whole idea of this minor process change is to keep it very simple still, but to add stability to these rounds. And that way, if you keep it simple, you can have more consistent loads, time after time, and you get shots like that. You almost went through the same hole. But if we learned one thing here, is wearing a silly birthday cowboy hat from a steakhouse will definitely make you shoot like the rifleman. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.